Alright guys, so second break from eBay from yesterday. Sorry for the delay. Break was supposed to be postponed to tomorrow because we don't have electricity in the store because of the snowstorm and freezing rain here. But I bring work at home, so let's do Premiere. So Premiere is 43.71. So single box break of Premiere 17.18. So let's do this. No autographed in. I have a 10 pack. Alright, so position the cards. Okay. Alright. So let's start with the base card number 199. New York Islanders, Josh Osai. Base card number 399 for the Florida Panthers, Owen Tippett. Jersey for the Old Jets, so for the Arizona Coyotes, Dale Arachuk, Arizona Coyotes. We have a jersey for the Montreal Avs, old one, Patrick Roy, the 2 legend jersey. We have a jersey rookie for the Flyers, Robert Agg. Jersey. This is not numbered. We have a rookie autograph for the Flyers, Robert Agg. And the last hit is a Super Rookies 4-color patch, really nice one, for the Florida Panthers, 2/99, Owen Tippett. Nice 4-color, very well. 3. You can see some blue on the left, barely 4-color. So there you go, guys. This was for Premiere. I'll be back a little bit later on with the multi-box break I posted yesterday. Thanks.